Hello, my name is Madison, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Toon from the Legend of Zelda series. This is something like a stylized version of him that I like to draw, but if you want to follow along with an official reference, you can too. So, what I like to do is I like to start out with the face. To start out with a face, you need two eyes. Give him a little dot for a nose, and a little smile. Give him two eyebrows, and his face is complete. Now, when you look at him, his hair is swooshed to the right in two parts. So, you want to draw it to your left. Then, he has two little sideburns that are sort of shaped like diamonds. And then you want to connect his pointed ear to his sideburn. And then you connect his hair to his head like that. Round out his face. And add symmetry to the other side by adding the other ear and the other sideburn. Then, give him a neck. And then I come down into a little V where his V-neck goes. He has a little undershirt, so you want to show that there. Then, give him two shoulders that come down into his arms. Then, draw two lines for his torso, and close that off. Want a little circle here, and some lines for his belt. And the skirt of his tunic comes down out from his belt. Close off his sleeves, and since his tunic goes over his undershirt, you want to show that with these two lines here. This shows where the tunic ends and his sleeves begin. Now, I don't like drawing hands, and I don't think many people do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give him little circle hands. Next, come down in lines for his legs. And give him little feet. His feet are in boots. Put these lines here to show his boots. Now, for some finishing touches, I like to draw some of his hair coming down behind his head like this. Then, you want to draw his hero hat. And that is how you draw Toon from the Legend of Zelda series.